I received this package today, and I'm sure most of you recognize the wrappings, who it came from. If not, that's who it came from, the Irish Lockpicker. And we traded locks. He's doing increasing his collection on Yale locks, and I had a couple of them that he didn't have, very similar to these, flat type locks. And he received my package today as well. So I'll do an opening here for you. I cut the box open already, but I haven't looked inside. So I'll do that right now. I'll put the box off to the side and pull out the items. See what this is. It's brass, which is always a good sign. It's an ERA. Very nice. Very nice. Never seen an ERA padlock. Looks green. Oh, it's a Federal. I don't have a Federal. This is exciting, very exciting. Thank you, Peter. It's a surprise. I think these two are surprises. He gave me more than I traded him, which he usually does. He's such a generous guy. Ah, a belfry, my favorite lever lock. It's a 4-lever. Beautiful, just gorgeous. Okay. Here we have a wee girly lock, as you would say. A union. I have a union lever lock, but I don't have a union padlock, and it's a closed shackle to boot. Very nice, very cute. And we have a whole bag of keys. That's always useful. And one more. Beautiful brass. Let's see what it is. Another ERA. Great. Get all these down there. These are all beautiful, Peter. Thank you so much. More than I expected, as usual. Love the belfry. Love these ERAs. Love this Federal. And a cute little union. Have to save that for a May Luck Monday, if I can pick it. Well, thank you, Peter, and thanks for watching. And check out Peter's videos, especially on his Yale series that's going on right now. And I hope you're satisfied with my package. Thank you all. Bye-bye.